Hey there, if you're constantly configuring CrossAim every time for different types of work during the day, then stop right there and start using profiles. Open the settings, go to the profiles tab. You may see two sections here, the preset profiles or the built-in profiles and custom profiles. The preset profiles have four modes: default mode, your everyday setup; audit mode, the kind of precision review work auditing demands; PDF review mode, built for reading dense documents line by line; and the presentation mode. If you're sharing a screen in a meeting, your audience can actually see what you're pointing at. Next, you can create and add your own custom profile, that is crosshair color, band size, behavior, center dot, likewise for the lane and focus mode if required or not, and even the dim strength. Once your preference is set, give it a name and also a description if required for your reference later on. And once done, hit the save. I have added a couple of custom profiles here. Let me show you that. So by default, this is our CrossAim setting. Let me now switch it to one of the custom profile, which is the investigation mode, and see what happens. See, you can anytime delete the profiles created. Select the profile, hit delete selected profile. But note that you can't delete a built-in profile. Let's say I'm trying to delete this audit mode. When I hit delete, a pop-up throws telling cannot delete built-in profiles. Also, there's a faster way to switch between the profiles. Go to your systems tray. Here you see switch profile. You can toggle between the profiles easily. Just like that. Next step is the shortcuts. Kindly note that you won't be able to use the shortcut keys of CrossAim unless and otherwise the crosshair is turned on. This acts as a safety mechanism so that CrossAim doesn't override the native window shortcuts or any app specific shortcuts. Go to the Systems tab, click on the View Keyboard Shortcuts. It opens a list of shortcut keys. The other way to access it is go to your pill bar, click on the question mark button. It will take you to the same window. And if by any chance, if CrossAim is accidentally overriding any of your Windows shortcuts, then you can simply turn it off by disabling the keyboard shortcuts over here. That's profiles and shortcuts built to make CrossAim feel instant no matter what you're switching between.